Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a soda can mobile. A fascinating eye catcher that is moving up and down when pulled. We are going to start with a regular soda can and make it into a long strip of aluminum. I already posted a video how to make such a strip cutter for soda cans, just follow the link in the upper right corner. Carefully remove the aluminum roll from the strip binder. Immediately secure the roll with tape. The aluminum roll still carries a certain mechanical tension, so it will explosively unfold if you do not secure it correctly as shown in the video. Okay, but how can we work with such aluminum rolls if they unfold all the time? I will show you a trick how to relax the aluminum and turn the roll into a spring type shape. Those of you following my videos maybe remember the video how to flatten soda can sheets. The link to the video is given in the upper right corner. There we used the heat from an iron. We will use heat here also, but instead of the iron, we will place the aluminum roll in an oven. First, carefully remove the tape. It would not survive the temperatures in the oven. Instead of tape, wrap the aluminum roll with wire to protect the roll from unfolding. Place the rolls in an oven for around 30 minutes. At 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. Thereafter cool the rolls with cold water. Now you can transfer the rolls to a piece of paper for drying. You will already recognize that the wire around the rolls will fall off and nothing happens. So now we are ready to use the aluminum roll as a spring for our mobile. Form a hook from the inner end of the aluminum strip. Then we form a hook from a pin which we stick into the object that will be hung onto the mobile. Here I use this pine cone. Now connect these two hooks. Pull the inner end of the roll out to form a spring. Repeat the step with other objects you want to have on your mobile. And this is how the finished mobile looks like. We are already at the end of another project, so please check out all my other videos and don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Stay creative, le freak, c'est chic.